How to log in to AOL Mail. So if you want to log into AOL Mail, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for AOL Mail. Once you've searched, here you will have AOL Mail. On the first search, click on that. Now it will take you to the sign in page. So to sign into your account, first you need to enter your username or your email address or your mobile number on the first blank. And once you enter your email address or your username, you need to click on next. And after clicking on next, now you can simply go for the Google sign in, which it is offering you. Click on sign in with Google. But if you don't have this kind of option, then you need to enter your password to log into your account. So here you need to click on done. And that's it. That's how you log into your AOL Mail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.